Hello, welcome to this short video. This short video is going to be showing you the paper collection that I'm going to be using for the month of June. And this is by 49 and Market. And this is their Rust and Revs collection 2.0. Now, I'm featuring this particular paper because this is going to be what's going to be used for the masculine class to go. So make sure you stay tuned for 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, June 1st, because I'm going to be presenting to you see if I can add it to the screen here. Add to stage. There we go. The masculine class, mega masculine class to go. That's going to have 12 masculine A2 size cards, a bonus box to hold all your cards. Everything will be cut, die cut for you, punched, embossed for you, and we'll include any embellishments or twine. All you have to do is assemble, and your tutorials will be included with your class to go. But if you have your favorite paper and you just like the card designs, then you can also purchase the tutorials, and I'm going to make them a real nominal fee so everybody can afford them. So let me remove those, bring this back, and let's look at this paper. So I chose this paper because the 1.0 was completely out of stock. And I'm like, well, you can't design a class around stuff that's out of stock. So I went with 2.0, which is the newest collection. And I'm loving the masculine feel to all of this. And so that's what we're going to be using. So the flip side to the front cover is a bonus page, and you've got this kind of yellow and black chevron type design. But then also, don't forget, on all of the bottoms of this 12 by 12 paper, there's always going to be a little half-inch strip at the bottom that can be used in borders. It can be cut up and used for other little pieces. This one just happens to say it's not the situation which makes the man, but the man who makes the situation. I thought that was kind of cool. So that's the first page. And then we come across this page. Now, I will tell you, it's going to be hard to cut up these papers, you guys, because these are like literally scrapbook ready, right? I mean, throw some mats on it, throw some embellishments on it, and you've got your layout already ready. So yeah, it's going to be hard to cut up these pieces. Now, the flip side to that is this particular design, and it looks like the bottom of each one of these has like some kind of saying on it, which is okay. Then you have this one. Oh, by the way, each one of these pages has a name to it. This one was called Handsome. And this one's called Commanding. And there's names to each one of these because with the paper, if you want more of just this particular paper, like you can purchase just that one sheet directly from scrapbook.com. Okay. But in the package itself, only one of each of these sheets comes in. But look at this. This is literally scrapbook ready. And then the flip side to this is like a rustic kind of metal something, like a wall of some kind, it looks like. Then you have dashing. This is dashing. Look at that. Loving the steampunk kind of look. And then you have this brick wall with your zip strip down there. You've got powerful. This one's powerful. And the flip side to that are these gears. A whole little page of gears. And then you have tenacious. Loving the colors on this. Loving the colors. And the flip side to that, you have like some, what am I trying to say? They're gears, but they're like plans. Very masculine. Then you have fearless. Loving the colors on this worn wood look. And the flip side to that is this design, which as I try to look closer, I can't tell what they are, but very masculine colors. Then you have Steadfast, a sheet of letters. I'm sorry, numbers. They're numbers, and you might not be able to see them, but they're in little, like, looks like 2x2 squares, so that if you need to cut down the line, you've got some lines on there to help cut them down. And then the flip side to that is these plans for, I'm not sure what this is. Some kind of hydraulic system, something manly, I'm sure, right? And this last one in this particular package is called Rugged. Another giant gear. And the flip side to that is, this one's cute. It's a denim, like blue jeans. And on the bottom of it, look, it's got a built-in little measuring tape zip strip. Is that not cute? That right there, what I just showed you, that is the 12x12 collection pack. Okay. There's also 6x8 paper that I'm going to show you briefly. So if you don't want to use the 12x12, but you still want to make some pretty cards, there is a 6x8 paper pack that you can opt to add to the class if you want to add that to your class so that you have both papers basically. But the class itself is going to be using the 12x12 paper, okay? Because I can get more cuts out of 12x12 paper than I can 6x8. Okay, now I'm also going to be using the Coordinating Solids Collection Pack for Rustin Revs as well. So all of these papers will be also included in with, well, at least certain cuts will be included in with your class kit to go, your Mega Masculine class kit to go. Okay, now even though this says solids, it looks like the first few pages, first 3 pages maybe, are, actually there's more than that. Let me grab the ones, because they're, let's do this. It says it's the solids, but what I'm noticing, let's see, it says it includes 8 double-sided papers, 4 double-sided designs, 2 of each, plus a night bonus sheet on the reverse of this cover. So on the back of this cover, just like the other collection cover, you do have this particular pattern paper with that strip down at the bottom. So that's nice that it comes with some extra pre-printed papers. And then we have these 2 sheets right here. There's 2 of them. This is called solid sheets number 1. And the front side of that is this linear blue paper. And the back side is a more, I'm not going to say it's baby blue, but it's like a shade of blue. Okay, so you have that. And then you have solid sheets number 3, which you've got two of them. And the flip side to the other one is this yellow color, along with some alphabet letters down at the bottom. And the way it's designed, I don't know if you can see that without those lines popping up. You can actually cut those if you want to cut those. So if you want to have something on your card or your project spelled out, you can just use it, cut these up and make them say whatever you want them to say. And I think that would be like really, really rustic. And then now we actually have the solids. So we have the solid sheets 2, which is, this is like a black color. And the flip side to the black is going to be this cream color that does have a little bit of something on the back. It looks like spilled coffee and maybe some other marks on there, but it's nothing, it looks like spilled coffee in some spots, but that's part of the paper. So one side is black and the other side is this color right here. Plus you also have another strip down at the bottom. And then you have your solid sheet 4, which is 2 of these. And the flip side to one of those is another pattern paper that just kind of looks splotchy. It looks like it's a variation of several different textures on the back. And then you have another strip down at the bottom. That is your solids, your actual solids paper. I'm going to bring those back so you can kind of see those. And then there's that bonus one right there in the middle. And then also what I'm going to be using with the class is it's going to be pieces of the fabric tape set. And I can feel the fabric on here, and it makes me think of like washi tape, right? But it's like stickers, but it's like fabric. You can feel, I don't know if you can hear this. Like you can hear the fabric as my fingernails go across it. Anyway, it's got some texture to it. But there's a couple of designs. And so what I might be doing is breaking this up somehow so that I can include like a strip of each one of them for the cards that have this particular fabric tape as part of their design. Okay, so we're going to be using that. And then also, just as an embellishment, there's going to be some other embellishments, but I decided to go with Lawn Fawn's black trim. So we'll be using this Lawn Fawn black hemp twine trim for this particular class. Now, also, I said I was going to show you the 6x8 collection pack, which is basically just a smaller version of the 12x12 collection pack paper. And same here on the back, you have a little bonus piece there. And then on these, you're going to have 27 9 double-sided heavyweight cardstock sheets, which is 3 of each design, plus your bonus print cover that's on the back of that cover. So basically, you have 3 of these. And then, of course, you have the flip side design. Everything is on a smaller scale than the 12x12. So if you have smaller projects where you still want to be able to do maybe some kind of a framed art or some kind of little small scrapbook, a smaller scrapbook than 12x12, you can get away with using the 6x8. Okay. And just like the other paper, these papers have the same design on the flip side. It's literally just on a smaller scale of print. But there's 27 of them. There's the flip side to that. This 6x8 collection pack right here, this is something that is going to be listed as an add-on to the class. So if you want to add on some more paper, I'm going to have that as an option for you to add that on. And then, of course, it will be an additional expense. So just keep that in mind. That will make your class kit price go up. There's the flip side to that. I think the 6x8 collection paper pack will probably be just fine if you're doing cards. So you don't have to do the entire class. If you just want to purchase the tutorials and add on the 6x8 collection pack, of course, that will have to be mailed to you as soon as the registration ends. But definitely join in June 1st. Oops, sorry about that. June 1st at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time so that you can see the cards and the bonus project. So I wanted to throw this video together for you before I start cutting up all this gorgeous paper. So I hope I can see you Sunday afternoon at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time so I can show you the class kit to go. And then also we'll be assembling the Vintage Orchard page kit, which was the final thing I wanted to show you for the month of May. That features the Vintage Orchard collection by 49 in Market as well. So other than that, we'll see y'all in the next video.